Hey guys, Ocean. Don't even think about it. Nope, go. Can you not sit in front of me? I'm trying to film a video. Buddy, watch out. Watch out. Okay. Alright, so I need to create an electrical outlet here in the middle because I'm going to install this fireplace. Ocean. Okay. My goal for today is to create an electrical outlet right here because as you can see, but I have a plug right here on the end of the wall that way, and I have another plug all the way on that wall, but there's no plug in the middle, and that's where I want to install this fireplace. I'm going to build a whole mantle and do the whole thing. So yeah, so my job today is to make an outlet right here in the middle. Never done this before. Looked up some kind of how-to videos and been reading about some basic electrical stuff. So it's Sunday. I really want to get this done by the end of the weekend. I had a night shift last night at my side job, but I'm back to work obviously Monday for my main job. So today's Sunday and I really want to get this done today because I want to get this fireplace built on the way and I'm really excited to do the frame part. But before I can do that, I need an outlet. I need to be able to plug this fireplace into the middle of the room. So let's get started. Let's make an outlet. The cool thing is I do have access to the basement. Like the studs are all open and stuff. So I'm hoping to draw electricity from one of the outlets in the basement and then run the wiring up through the floor to come into like the new outlet that I'm about to put in. So let's do it. Show you my process. First I'm gonna try to find the center of this room.
Hand for each hand was planned for the world. Why don't my fingers reach? Millions of grains of sand in the world. Why such a lonely beach? Where are two shoes to click to my clack? Where is a voice to answer my back? I'm all alone in this world. I'm all alone in this world. You'll see him in the schoolyard. He's standing all alone. Both hands are in his pocket. He's kicking in the sand. All the other children laugh and play their games. They pay no mind to loner.
Okay, so I have a stud here, stud here, apparently none there. Should be 16 inches apart, but that's weird because mine are 32 inches apart, which makes me think, am I missing a stud? Is there a stud here that the stud finder just couldn't find? I feel like there should be one in the middle. Let's try it again. It's literally saying nothing here. That's weird. So mine are 32 inches apart here. And I'm literally cutting right into the middle. So 16 would have been here. So I think I'm stationed away. I'll have a look when I cut it open.
Except to call them names. He's standing on the corner. He hopes someday to be a man. No one is there beside him.
I know why there wasn't. I mean, this wall was built after the fact because I think that this room was open to the other room and then they closed it off at some point. But, anyways. It's gonna be fun fishing a wire through here, no? Okay, so let's go a bit bigger. I saw this trick when you're trying to find which breaker to turn off. Plug a vacuum into the plug. Different plug. So that's the breaker. This guy. Okay, so now I know that that's off. Obviously, I will test it. Closer look. So that's the outlet there that I'm gonna try to pull power from. And then I'm gonna create a line going from the outlet under here and then up the floor into where my outlet is upstairs. The tricky part, I guess, is going to be measuring or trying to figure out exactly where to pop up on the floor from upstairs. But one step at a time. Let's get power from this guy.
Well, they're mostly just like him. Ain't got no life to speak.
You see that spider?
I know place where they fit in.
It's freaking huge.
He's working in your factory. He's always there, right on time. He doesn't seem too friendly. They don't pay people any mind. In the corner of the lunch
Works! It works!
he just sits
The new
there
outlet that I just made works.
like a
Sorry.
poorly written
No, I just made this outlet. It
gathered
works.
dust upon a
Can't
shelf.
believe it. I can't believe it. What's what for? That's just what I was thinking. It's gonna be
The
good.
old
But
house.
yeah, I made this outlet. It works. High five, girl.
Folks want
Oh my
their
God,
kids
this is incredible.
to stay away.
Now the fireplace has
They
an outlet
say
similar to it,
that old
which it
man
needs, so we don't have cord working across it.
just gets meaner.
Boy. So cool! I got the new outlet installed and I just tested it and it works and I'm so happy, so relieved. That was like the big thing I wanted to get done this weekend. So now I can actually start the fun stuff, which is building the frame for the fireplace. I'm really excited about that. And to do the outlet, I don't know if I explained it, but it was my first time making a new outlet in the house. And what I did was thankfully the basement, so I was going to pull the power from a nearby outlet, but then I would have to drill through several studs along the way. And I realized actually my basement is all open. The ceiling isn't enclosed, it's not finished. So I just went down to the basement and I located an outlet closest in proximity to where I wanted the new outlet to be. And then I opened up that one and then I ran a line from that outlet to the new one. And then I ended up having to kind of figure out how to drill into the basement ceiling to reach the floor of the new outlet and then fish the line up that way and come up the hole. It wasn't that difficult. It was my first time doing anything like it. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos to figure out how to do it and I'm really, really grateful for YouTube. The fact that we can learn anything we want and just get things done. It's really empowering and it's really exciting, and it's great because things like this, like projects like this, I wouldn't necessarily, I probably wouldn't do if I couldn't do it myself. I wouldn't, pay the money to hire it out. It's like a lot of it is just I get a lot of joy and satisfaction from doing these things in my house. And it's like the journey, it's not just the end result, if that makes sense. It's really fun to sort of get out of my head and do something manual, do something tangible in the real world, like create things. And so I know it doesn't seem like a big deal to start a new outlet, but for me, like it's it's amazing. It's awesome because it's just like, I don't know, it's just I was really intimidated by the process. I didn't know if I could do it, but I did. So it feels great. And actually, the room I'm sitting in has an outlet super high in the wall, which is just so awkward. And I've always wanted one to be down to the floor. So when I plug things in, you don't just see the cord like hanging down the wall going. So now that I've done this, I feel confident that I could easily add another outlet into this room down on the floor where I want it to be. And then I could finally put a little phone lamp in this room. So anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. I got the outlet in, and next video, I guess I will be sharing the build of the fireplace frame, and I've gone back and forth on some designs. Actually, I'll insert what I'm sort of envisioning here for how I want the fireplace to be. I'll just insert a photo. I'm kind of going back and forth if I want to make the design very straight edge or if I want it to curve. I'll put a photo in so you know what I mean. So I'm not too sure. And then I've gone back and forth if I wanted a hearth or no hearth. I think I'm not going to do a hearth just for floor clearance, but I'm going to raise the fireplace up a little bit to accommodate a low hearth if I change my mind in the future. So yeah, that'll be the next video, starting on the fireplace frame build. I'm super, super stoked for that. Super excited. Thank you so much for watching. Things like this is kind of what I'm all about sharing. I have a 100-year-old house. There's a lot of projects that I've been doing and plan to do around this house to just make it more comfortable, to make it my own, and just for the joy and love of tinkering around the house. That's what I love to do. I don't really love to go out. This sounds weird, but yeah, for fun, like I'm not the type that like wants to go out. That sounds so bad. I don't want to say that. I don't know. I love being home. I'm a homebody. I love working on my house. It's just it's fun. It's not really about the end result, though that's rewarding, but it's just the process. And I love learning these new skills and learning these things. And I've actually always said that I wish that I had gone into, I'm a nurse, and I always thought I wish I went into like becoming a carpenter or a trade or something, because I've always been fascinated by it. But when I was younger, I don't know, it was intimidating to do that, being a woman, and I just didn't think I could, so I didn't. And studied psychology, and then went back to school for nursing, and now I'm a nurse. I work in the community and I work in the psychiatric hospital. But anyways, so in my free time when I'm not doing nursing, when I'm not working, I love to work on my house. So if that's something that interests you, whether you're into the same thing, you love doing projects around your house, or if you just find it intriguing to watch somebody else do it, I love watching videos of other people working on their house. So that's kind of why I made this channel. And if that's something that interests you, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe and join the little community, because I love to hear comments from people. I just find it fun to chat back and forth about these kinds of things, and you guys are often teaching me things that I don't know. Like I'll share something and you might have some tips or pointers for me, and I really appreciate that, and I think it's amazing. So yeah, anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video when I do the fireplace frame build. So excited. All right, bye.